Good morning, friends. Today we are going to start with the similar chapter which we are on in the last previous lecture. In recording, I have also sent you a admission problem that for practice purpose. And if you have query, please ask me. Another session was recorded. This session was recorded for particularly company accounts that is related to the issue of shares, how the company accounts are maintained, and if it is a situation of oversubscription of shares is there, so at that moment how to record the journal entries, that we are going to see in this particular uh, problem, and this practical session will help to you that how to record these transactions, how to record these problems in the format of journal, that we are going to study today. I'm sharing my screen so you can see the problem. I request you that you please note down this problem. It is a problem of Vaishali Limited issued 10,000 equity shares of rupees 10 each. That means face value is 10 rupees. At par, payable rupees 3 on application. Application money हमारा 3 rupees है. इक्विटी शेयर का नंबर 10,000 है. नेक्स्ट ₹4 on allotment and ₹3 on first and final call. The company received applications for 15,000 shares. As I told you, there is a situation of oversubscription. So in this case, 10,000 equity shares were actually issued, and the applications received, the offer for 10,000 shares and applications received for 15,000 equity or equity shares. The board of directors rejected 5,000 applications, and application money was refunded. All the money was duly received. Now these two lines tells you that बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर्स ने जो आपको 5,000 एप्लीकेशंस एक्सेस मिले थे उनका रिफंड किया है. दोज हु हैव लेटली अप्लाइड दे हैव रिजेक्टेड. जिन्होंने लेट अप्लाई किया है उनको रिजेक्ट कर दिया. दैट इज अ पॉलिसी यूटिलाइज्ड हियर. If it is a pro rata allotment, so certain ratio, in certain ratio they might have given the shares to the every applicant. So here it is not a situation. Here they have directly rejected remaining 5,000 applications and not issued a single share to that shareholders. And the application money which was received with the application form, it was refunded. All the money was duly received. Now refunded is a different situation. This sentence, all the money was duly received, is a different sentence. It is related to the application allotment and first and final call. मतलब इन तीनों कॉल्स को ड्यूली उनका अमाउंट रिसीव है. ड्यूली मतलब एज पर द कॉल दे हैव मेड, एज पर द कॉल they have company have made to the applicants, to the shareholders. Show journal entries in the books of Vaishali Limited. So it is a Vaishali Limited, that is a company that we are going to write the transaction of them. Now we can see me, and the problem we are going to solve, it is an oversubscription problem that I am going to share and solve on the board. First of all, you will write here what? The journal entries in the books of journal entries in the books of Vaishali Limited. That is a title for the specimen. After that, you will create labels that date, particulars, LF, debit amount, and credit amount. The first lines tells you that application money was received for 15,000. बराबर है. So 15,000 multiplied by application money कितना है हमारा? That is 3. So multiplied by 3, that is 75,000. Oh, sorry, 45,000. That much amount was received. So while recording the first entry, we'll record a bank account debit to share application या फिर share equity share application account. So on the application we received 45,000, but we must receive only 10,000 into 3. हमें कितना मिलना था एक्चुअली? 10,000 into 3, that is 30,000. मिला कितना? That is 45,000. ठीक है. बाकी जो एक्सेस 5,000 में जो रुपीस मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 3 जो एक्सेस अमाउंट मिला है वो हम रिफंड करने वाले. सो हियर द नरेशन विल बी बीइंग application money received. But board of directors decided to only allow to the 10,000 equity shareholders, not more than that. That is 5,000 applications हमें reject कर देने. So first of all, we will accept this equity, that share application money, which is on 10,000 shares only, so that equity share application या फिर share application account debit 30,000. How it comes? It is a 10,000 which we are going to give allot to the shareholders जिनके applications हमने एक्सेप्ट कर लिया है. दैट इज ओनली 10,000 शेयर्स. 5,000 शेयर होल्डर्स को हम क्या करने वाले हैं? रिफंड करने वाले. सो एप्लीकेशन का जो मनी हमें ट्रांसफर करना है टू द शेयर कैपिटल अकाउंट, दैट इज ओनली 30,000. दैट्स व्हाई 10,000 into 3, 30,000 will be transferred to capital account. So being share application money transferred to share capital account. Okay, now refunding procedure. उसी बैंक के द्वारा हम चेक या फिर with the help of the bank we can send the check to the shareholders, or we can send also directly on the address from where they have given the applications. उनको वही एड्रेस पे हम चेक सेंड कर सकते और that amount will be refunded. तो अमाउंट रिफंड करना है. ठीक है. अभी आप यहाँ पे ऑब्जर्व करो, यू कैन सी हियर एप्लीकेशन शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट को 45,000 का क्रेडिट है, शेयर एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट को 30,000 का डेबिट है. सो एक्सेस 15,000 क्रेडिट विच इज गिवन टू द एप्लीकेशन अकाउंट, दैट शुड बी नलिफाइड बाय गिविंग डेबिट. एक्सेस कितना है? दैट इज 15,000. सो share application account debit 15,000, that is excess application money received which we are going to reject. That is 5,000 shares which we have rejected. 5,000 multiplied by 3, उनका अमाउंट उन्हें वापस कर देंगे. 2, bank account, because we are going to pay from our bank account, company's bank account. So to 15,000. Being application money, being application money for excess shares received is refunded, that is the third entry you need to make. Then there is a fourth 4 rupees on allotment that we are going to see. You might haven't see this. Okay, journal entries, you can see that is share application account debit to bank account. This was journal entry. And narration would be being application money for excess shares received is refunded. Application money जो excess shares के लिए receive हुआ था उसे refund किया. After that, we will turn to the allotment. Allotment का एंट्री जब हम करेंगे वो पहले एंट्री आता है for not to transfer to the directly to the capital account. First of all, we will credit it to the share capital account, then only we will receive that amount. That we have to show it is a due amount from the shareholders. So entry firstly was made after the receiving application money. The next entry is equity share या फिर share allotment account, that is showing due share allotment allotment account debit to share equity share capital account. Now we are going to allot only 10,000 shares, not 15,000. So 10,000 multiplied by 4, because the allotment money that we are going to collect per share, that is 4 rupees. So 10,000 into 4, that is 40,000 will be transferred or shown due on the allotment, being share allotment money due for 10,000 shares at the rate rupees 4 per share. That is your narration. Then simply you will receive the amount, that bank account debit to share allotment account. That entries you know about how to record 40,000 and to share allotment account 40,000, being allotment money received. Then number 6. Now after allotment, next procedure, next call is a first and final call, which was for rupees 3. Okay, rupees 3 per share. So share first and final call account debit to share capital account. It is 3 rupees per share. Okay, 30,000 will be received or due. We can show due on the first call. So narration will be being first and final call due on 10,000 shares at the rate rupees 4 per share. That is your sixth entry. And the last entry is receiving the amount into the bank account. So entry is bank account debit. Last seventh entry is bank account debit. Bank account debit 30,000 to first and share, first and final call account 30,000 being share first and final call amount duly received. That is your narration. ये पूरा प्रोसीजर मैंने पर्पसफुली दिखाया आपको, ये आता है, आपको ये जर्नल एंट्रीज मालूम है, फिर भी आपका प्रैक्टिस पार्ट बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. नेक्स्ट प्रॉब्लम आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर विथ यू फॉर अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन. Similar entries are there. I'm going to only give you journal entries of that problem, and I'm not going to share this all procedure, that writing, narration and all that. Okay, फटाफट हम वो कर लेंगे. I will just discuss that problem, so it will be fruitful that you know over subscription. So as well you will know the under subscription, how it will be. अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन में क्या अलग होगा ये भी आपको पता चल जाएगा इस लेक्चर से, इस वीडियो से. ठीक है. अगेन आई एम प्रेजेंटिंग. नोट डाउन द प्रॉब्लम्स एंड राइट द सॉल्यूशन आल्सो. ओके. XYZ कंपनी लिमिटेड इशूड 4,000 shares of 100 each, payable as follows: 25 on application, 60 on allotment, 15 on first and final call, and lastly they have given in the sentence that public applied for 3,000 shares. Public ने कितने shares के लिए apply किया? बस 3,000 shares के लिए. All the money on allotment and call were received. सारा बाकी अमाउंट जो है अलॉटमेंट पे रिसीव हुआ है और बाकी कॉल्स पे भी रिसीव हुआ है. मतलब 60 rupees and 15 rupees they have received duly, and also 25 का जो एप्लीकेशन मनी है वो 4,000 शेयर्स पे नहीं मिला है, 3,000 शेयर्स पे ही मिला है. ठीक है. इशू करने का हमने डिसाइड किया था दैट वी विल इशू 4,000 शेयर्स, बट एक्चुअल एप्लीकेशंस, दैट इज अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन प्रोसीजर हियर, एक्चुअल एप्लीकेशंस में हमें फर्क दिखाई दिया. 3,000 के ही शेयर्स लोगों ने परचेस किए. सो राइट दिस प्रॉब्लम. सो आई एम गोइंग टू शेयर यू द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ दिस प्रॉब्लम, हाउ इट विल बी सॉल्व. सी दैट फर्स्ट एंट्री वुड बी, फर्स्ट पहला एंट्री जो आपका होगा वो 3,000 शेयर से कैलकुलेशन के साथ होगा. तो वहां पे आप ये भी नोट डाउन कर लो कि ये अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन का प्रॉब्लम है. इट इज अ प्रॉब्लम ऑन अंडर सब्सक्रिप्शन. So firstly you will record, the first entry you will record an application entry. So bank account debit 3,000 into कितना application money है 25. So it is a 75,000 received. Then to share application account 75,000 shares. Number 2, second entry, share application account debit 2 share application account debit to share capital account. Here also you write the amount 75,000. ठीक है, ये मैं प्रॉपरली कर देता हूँ आपके लिए. 75,000, 75,000. Next, third entry is regarding to 60 rupees allotment. So allotment का पहले हम एंट्री करते हैं, ड्यू दिखाते हैं पहले. So share allotment account debit to share capital account. It's only 3,000 shares. 3,000 into 60. 3,000 into 60, that is 18. 3 6 are 18. Okay, remaining zeros. 1,80,000 is the amount. Then fourth entry, bank account debit. अमाउंट उतना ही मिला है, ड्यूली रिसीव हुआ ये हमें बताया उन्होंने. तो ड्यूली रिसीव्ड अमाउंट 1,80,000 टू शेयर अलॉटमेंट अकाउंट 1,80,000. Fifth call is first and final call. So share first and final call account debit to share capital account 15 into 3,000 shares. So 15 3s are 45. Okay, and 3,000 shares. That's why 3 zeros. So 45,000 is the amount that we are going to show as a due amount in the name of first and final call. Finally, the last entry is, if you cannot see, the last entry is bank account debit. I will show here bank account debit to, it is sixth entry. Bank account debit to share first and final call account 45,000. Being first and final call amount received. And finally you will make the total, make it habit that you will write the total rupees also. The total rupees would be 75 plus 75 plus 1,80,000, 1,80,000, 45 and 45. You will make the total, write it, solve like this problem. ये एकदम simple problem आपको लग रहा है, but if you have made mistake here, तो आगे आपको कंसेप्ट आपका भी आगे भी गलत रहेगा, आपके अमाउंट्स गलत रहेंगे. If the amounts are wrong, not a single mark will be rewarded for the solution. So understand that if it is under subscription, you will consider the application received shares, and if it is over subscription होगा तो हमने कितना इश्यू करने का डिसाइड किया था वो आप कंसिडर करोगे. उसी कंसिडरेशन से आप एप्लीकेशन दिखाओगे और आगे जाके भी उसी कंसिडरेशन से जितना इश्यू हमने डिसाइड किया था उतने ही क्वांटिटी से उतने ही शेयर्स से मल्टीप्लाई करोगे to the allotment money, to the share call, first call, second call, or whatever is there, that you will multiply with the 15 rupees, 20 rupees, whatever it will be. Here it is also under subscription. In the case of under subscription, you will remember that you will consider the applications received shares. उसका quantity से multiply करोगे आपके से the call amount. And that is all for today. In the next lecture, I will come with the another situation. Thank you for listening this lecture.